Namaskar everyone, welcome to Quick Trading. So today we are going to see how we can do algorithm trading on commodities. So before going that, this is our agenda. Today I will going to show you some few important points, and then we will see indicators and a mix of indicators maybe, and how we can use it, and directly we will write an algorithm in Streak. We will see the backtesting results, and then we'll optimize to get better results. Okay, let's quickly go into the few important points. These are the few important I want to tell you. So this commodity trading in Streak through Streak will be available only in Ultimate plan, which costs around 1500 per month. So it's bit costly, and we can, since this is commodity, unlike normal equity futures or options market, this will be available from morning 9 to 11:30. That is an advantage for it. But however, I'll suggest do only for, I mean, entry you can stop after 7, because once you entered at 7 it may exit anytime. So I suggest 9 to 7 is a good time to do. And then there is some problem with the liquidity, unlike normal equity markets. So number of volume wise also will be less, so there is a chances that slippage in profits or losses or whatever. So what I mean to say is, see, in Streak, when you are placing an order, it will take a limit order, but when it is going to exit, stop, when you hit the target, for example, it will directly hit the market order. So you may not get the exact profit whatever that was you are doing. Okay, that is one thing I want to highlight. And then don't jump directly into live once you see this algorithm and write it, and don't jump into live. Do paper trading for few days or weeks and see the results, and only if you feel that it is satisfactory and you feel okay, then only go for live. So do at your own risk. So this is just for educational purpose. Let us jump into the algorithms. So for this I'm going to select silver MIC June future. This is one of the commodity I have selected, and so this is the 5 minutes candle I have selected. Now the indicator we are going to use is parabolic SAR. Few people already have heard this. So basically many people use this parabolic SAR to when to exit, when to enter. So this is not basically not many people use for buying and selling, but here in our algorithm we are going to use this for buying and selling. Not just single indicator, because always single indicator may not give you the accurate results. We'll try to add one more indicator and see the combination of these two, how we can achieve. So this parabolic SAR, when this dot line, see this dot lines is below the candles, it means that it is a bullish market that is there. So whenever the market is reversed, I mean whenever these dots are above the candles, it means that it is a bearish trend that is going on. Okay, so this is simple. You can directly see if you entered here, you can exit when there is a, when these dots comes above the candles. Okay, so along with this we are going to use our traditional and powerful Bollinger Bands. So how we will use this, see these Bollinger Bands when there is a bullish market that is there, and any candle closes below the middle lower Bollinger Band. So it's an indication that still there are chances to go up. Okay, so those are the chances we are going to catch. See, for example, the closure happened, but there is a bullish market that is going on, there is a closure that happened, and then there is some bullish that was came. So similarly you can see anywhere that kind of pattern where there is a still chances. See, for example, this is a bullish that is happening, but candles are closing below the middle Bollinger Band, so there are still chances to go up. So this is the chances that we are going to catch and do. So you got it right. Only there are two indicators we are going to use. One is our parabolic SAR along with the Bollinger Bands. The two middle Bollinger Band we will be using if any candle closes below the middle Bollinger Band, and also the parabolic SAR is saying there is a bullish market that is going. So using these two we will try to write an algorithm. Let us quickly jump into Streak and see how we can write an algorithm. Okay, we are going to select 5 minutes candle, silver MIC June. We are going to buy, quantity is your wish. I'm just giving 20. As we parabolic, if you just write parabolic, this automatically came because I am using assist here. Along with that, we also closure is lower than middle Bollinger Band. See, the thing is, many people know all these indicators, but the combination of these indicators and also the back testing results that matters. So it takes time to do the try different combinations and comes to this. So I after doing few analysis and few charts, few trying out few things, adjusting, will come to this. So let us see, we are not targeting much. We will just target 0.1%, which is around 1400, 1500, or few 700, 800, because we will try to accumulate more day by day instead of targeting for the huge one. Since this may go against for some time, we will be giving a bit stop loss more. That's okay anyway. Quick trading, commodity test. Let us back test and see. Timings we can give 11 to okay, I'm giving everything. So 20 stop time, okay, June. We can give from May. So this is June contract, so I gave from May. Let us see. So if you see here, there are 111 signals, 94 are success, and 31,000 is the profit. So let us calculate 94 divided by 311, which is around 84%. That's really a good one. So maximum gains we got is 1400, sorry, 1400. We can also see the transaction details that are happened here. And if we can adjust this stop loss to 0.6, okay, it's not 0.5 is fine. So for example, if you want more accuracy, like for example, let us target for 97%. How it can be possible? Yeah, that can also be possible, but see, only thing is you require more patience. You can select CNC, which means that you can carry forward to the next day until your target hits. So for that, let's example, I give the stop loss as 2%. Still, let us keep the same and see the magic. Okay, the wins are more, but still there is a result in losses since stop loss is huge. So let us adjust time up to 7 o'clock itself, as we discussed previously. Cool. There are 67 signals, 65 are success and 2 losses. Let us give more 4. Okay, let us select 3 minutes candle and see. Cool. So this is like 48,000, 77 signals came, 75 are wins. So you may be wondering that what about the 77th one? It is entered and still not yet exited. So 927, 3 o'clock, 0.1. Let's change this to 2. 84,000, 52 calls came, 50 were success. Okay, let us adjust 3 and 2. Okay, what else we can change? Let us change this to 2. Let us change this to 3. Let's see how it can. So see, 92,000 came, 44 calls, 42 are success. So now it's your call. You can adjust anything, but the strategy wise looks good. You can implement and try it out in paper trade for few days and see how it happens. So sorry. So this is how we have traded 92,000. Still we can adjust more if we are okay with the loss. 37,000, not a good numbers. 3 versus 4, 11,000. Let us stick to 2 or 2.5. So these are pretty good results. You can try it out in commodity. If you want to do intra trading, within a day select MIS, give only 0.5 or 6, target for only 0.1%, and see the so 13,000 is the profit. 112 calls, 95 hour success. There is a winning streak of 19 and 4 losing streak, 17 losses. You can select 5 minutes candle, which gives more accurate results. So 32,000 with intraday. If you want to take intraday, you can go ahead, or if you are okay with the risk, try to do positional trading, which may be cash and carry, and try it out. Cool guys, thanks for watching. So in next video I'm going to reveal the interesting and the most profitable trading, how you can trade using this algo trading. Stay tuned.